5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 times 0 is going to be 0. So answer is option A. But is this correct? Absolutely not. But why? To solve this type of question, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operation. The order of operation can be remembered by PEMDAS. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, multiplication, division, and finally A and S stands for addition and subtraction. But how can we get help from PEMDAS to solve this type of question? Come here, I want to show you. For example, in this case, we have subtraction, multiplication, and again subtraction. So we need to start with multiplication, then we can work on subtraction. Let me rewrite the question. 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 5. So we need to start with multiplication. 5 times 5 is going to be 25. 25. Let me rewrite it. 5 minus 25 minus 5. Then, now we have two subtraction. In this case, we need to start from left and continue our work to the right. So 5 minus 25 is going to be right, negative 20. Let me write it, negative 20 minus 5. Now we have one operation. Negative 20 minus 5 is going to be negative 25. And this is the correct answer. Option A, no. Option B, no. Option C, no. And option D, negative 25 is the correct answer. Have fun.